Live from Ultimate Sports Cards, Las Vegas. Last box, Hockey Cup of our 6-box case break. The knife blade. Thank you.
Stop moving the box. I'm catching the glare.
Well, there's nothing to see yet. Just me trying to fumble with this sharp object. Well, it could get interesting, I guess.
People could see that you're going to be a handler.
Come on. Last pack. Shane Doan.
Alright.
Okay. Ben
Ferrero.
That's a nice patch. It looks, we got 4 colors on that.
Wow, yeah. Sharks.
Looks like the Jaguars. Number 249 rookie patch auto.
Ooh, number 91.
John Tavares.
John Tavares. Very nice.
We got number 91 dual. Oh, that is
wow.
gorgeous. Wow. Look at those patches.
What are they calling that? Honorable numbers?
Yeah, rookie autograph dual patch. That's nice. All right, save that one to the last box. Dual auto.
Ooh.
Is that Doug Gilmour?
Yeah, and Phil Kessel.
Number 26/35 dual autograph. Okay, we got a sideways.
Bossy?
Dennis Potvin.
Oh, Potvin, okay.
Number to 50 and base jersey 22/25 Asaku Koivu.
There's Saku for you.
All right, that Tavares at the end. That and the Tyler Myers are definitely
Yes.
our hits there.
That's your big boy right there.
Nice.
Get the full 360.
Overall, very nice case. Thanks for watching, guys. Ultimate Sports Cards.